just take these one at a time, okay? The first one is for speeding. For each of these, you'll need to enter a plea for the speeding case. If you believe you're not guilty, you can enter a not guilty plea and set the case for trial. If you believe you're guilty, you can enter a guilty or a no contest plea, and then we can discuss the payment that you talked to the prosecutor about. So regarding that speeding violation, what is your plea?
Guilty.
Okay, so that fine and cost is $334, and that's gonna be due on or before July the 24th, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions about that case?
Yeah, as far as I just moved out here, my money's tight. I was telling the prosecutor that I'm living paycheck to paycheck. As far as if I can't pay it on the time, can I call for an extension?
I mean, you could, if you can't pay it within the 60 days, you could call and request to have a meeting about that. I mean, you could set up a payment plan,
Okay, appreciate that.
okay? Just make sure you communicate with the court, if you're unable to pay, okay? So regarding the possession of drug paraphernalia, what is your plea?
Guilty.
Okay, so on that case, it's a deferred disposition order. What that means is if you complete the terms of the order, then the violation will be dismissed. So this one, you have to pay on time in order to comply with the order, okay? And if you don't do that, then it could end up being entered as a conviction. So the requirements of this deferred disposition order are deferred starts today and ends on November the 20th. You have to pay $430 on or before June the 23rd, so that gives you 30 days. And then you have to not receive any convictions during the deferral period. Do you have any questions about that one?
No, I don't.
Okay, the last is the minor in possession of tobacco. What is your plea?
Guilty.
Okay, so that one's gonna be a deferred disposition order also. And the requirements of that are deferred starts today and ends August the 22nd. Requirements are gonna be that you pay $81 on or before May the 27th, that you don't receive any convictions during the deferral period, and that you take a tobacco awareness course and return the certificate to the court on or before August 22nd. Do you have any questions about any of those things?
No, I don't.
Okay, then we'll get those orders entered and send you a copy. If you end up having any questions about the dates or the payments, just give us a call, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Alright, that's everything for me.
It is.
Alright, thank you.
Okay. Seen a lot of these temp tag cases.
Yeah, they're going after them.
Mm-hmm. Hi, this is Judge Salas. What's your name?
Alexander.
And okay, give me just 1 minute. This is not the right case.
Is that Alexander Roberts? This is his case. You gave it to me because he was showing unavailable.
Oh, thank you. I'm like, I was about to give them. I didn't disconnect on here. I'm still here. Okay, so it looks like you have a violation for driving while license invalid. I know you talked to the prosecutor about a deferred disposition order. I just need you to enter a plea before we go over that. So regarding that driving while license invalid, what is your plea?
Not guilty.
Okay, so is it your desire to set the case for trial?
Yes.
Okay, do you want a bench trial or a jury trial?
Bench.
Okay, then we will send you notice of the date and time for that when it gets set. You do, It will be a full trial. If you represent yourself, you'll be held to the same standards as an attorney, or, of course, you can choose to hire an attorney to represent you, okay? Do you have any questions about that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, sounds good. We'll send you notice of the date and time of that trial.
Alright, thank you,
All
ma'am.
right, thank
Yeah.
you. Okay. Forget the order here. Hi, this is Judge Salas. What's your name?
Karina Bear Palfrey.
Okay, it looks like you have two cases. I'll just need you to enter a plea as to each, and then we can go over the terms you discussed with the prosecutor. If you believe you're not guilty, you can enter a not guilty plea and set the case for trial. If you believe you're guilty, you can enter a guilty or no contest plea, and we can discuss the payment and what you talked to the prosecutor about. So regarding the expired registration, expired over 60 days, what is your plea?
No contest.
Okay, so that fine and cost is $174, and it's gonna be due on or before June the 23rd. Do you have any questions about that one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, the second case is unauthorized reproduction or purchase of temporary tags. What is your plea?
No contest.
Okay, so that one is going to be a deferred disposition order, and what that means is if you complete the terms of the order, then the violation will be dismissed. So there's two requirements. The deferred disposition starts today and ends on September the 21st. The two requirements are that you pay the $281 fine and costs on or before July the 24th, and that you not receive any convictions during the deferral period. Do you have any questions about either one of those things?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then that will end our call today. Thank you for appearing.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
I mean, is the 9/940 or 970?
Oh, is she? I don't think she's on.
She's not, I'm assuming he called.
I
Why
was
can't we just have the clerk call and tell
I
her to
was
come
told
today?
by